You are now tuned into Flyroy, the trend setter. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Top of the money, it's your boy back with another video. So man, y'all know what we on today, man. We finna turn the apartment from ashy to classy. So I'm trying to get this apartment ready, you know what I'm saying, to get rented out. And I'm gonna spin this camera around. I wish I would have showed y'all this floor part I just did. That was really bad. I'm talking about really bad. But I got some more spots to show you guys that's even worse. And you guys gonna be like, wow, how are you going to get this cleaned out? You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you this floor, because this is gonna be my next thing that I'm tackling. It's gonna be this floor. So y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and let's get it. Y'all see this floor up in here? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that floor? 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 Yeah, y'all see it? Yeah, stay tuned. Y'all see what I'm talking about that floor? Y'all see it? You know what I'm saying? So now, you know, of course, when I get done, I have to seal the floor and everything, which puts a clear protectant on it that causes it from doing this. But y'all see, man, but look at the difference. Look at the difference in certain areas, man. Yes, sir. Y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? If you have a property rental and you trying to get it ready for a rental or somebody to rent it out, you need it all taken care of, and, you know what I'm saying, turn from ashy to classy, tap in the Flyroy, the trendsetter, man. Y'all see it, let's get it. All right, now y'all see it. See what that floor look like. You know what I'm saying? Still got a couple more spots to go over. I'm gonna tell y'all the best thing what I do with my situation. I'm not going to finish and move to the next spot until this part right here is ashy to classy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, man. Look at all that grind. You know what I'm saying? All that. Like I said, drop something in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. I did have to make my own chemical for the floor to get it this way, get it clean like this. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta put your brain to work and get it done. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Let's get the next room I gotta do. See this? Show y'all the next room I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think, man? Y'all think this can be right now? Y'all see it? See what that floor look like? And still got a couple more spots to go over. I'm gonna tell y'all the best thing what I want y'all to see what that next version floor looks like. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Yeah. Y'all see how if you look at all the places, I gotta come out and get like the little brush. Oh, see that? Yeah, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Look at that. I got some in the past here. And you know what y'all think about full restoration. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Look. So y'all see it, man. So I also gonna post another video of showing you how to seal a floor. So this was basically like stripping it, getting all the crud off the floor. You know what I'm saying? So next up, I gotta do a hallway. Just gotta do the hallway now. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's all done. The bedrooms are done. Gotta do the closets. You gotta see how bad the closets are. You know what I'm saying? Closet door. See how bad it is. But y'all see it, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video on how to seal the floor. Let's get it.
Take turns.
Hey man, this for motherfucking young.